Hello, welcome to Artificial Intelligence Hub. Today I'm going to show you how the YOLO model works. You can see here, this is the video how the YOLO detect the objects at a real environment. I'm just going to pass the video. It will detect all objects that are moving on in the road. So today we're going to learn how we can use a any pre-trained YOLO model and detect the objects in a real environment. So let's go. Let's start it. So here is the main file that needed four things. First, Coco name labels. You can see here. You can see here it's contain 80 classes. I told you I'm gonna use a pre-trained YOLO model. That's why it's contain 80 classes. You can see one person, bicycle, car, motorcycle, aeroplane. But there are a lot of classes are mentioned here, about 80 classes. So after that, you need a configuration file, a YOLO v3 configuration file that contain the configuration of the model, and the third one is weights of the YOLO network. You can use any YOLO model v4, v5. I'm using a YOLO v3 model here. So here is the input. Four things needed to this file need four things. Input and three are there. So I'm gonna use this is the input. I'm gonna show you. So it is a video that is captured and showing some objects are moving on in the road. So first of all you have to go. First of all you have to go there, open browser and type YOLO v3. It will automatically open a website, a main website, official website for the YOLO model. You can search down here. Here's a lot of model are here. You can download any model. They give us the configuration file and the weights file, but you have to go down here and you can read here what's new in the YOLO version 3. So here is the weights file. You just click on it and download the weights file from here, and configuration file you have to go there. So after that it will automatically directly move into the that page. You can download a configuration file from here, YOLO v3. So here is a lot of model with their configuration file. You need this one to download in your laptop and a computer and will use it later. Not too worried about this. I'm gonna mention configuration file and the weights link in the description of the video, and don't worry about it. So let's do it. I'm gonna run this code. How is it working? You can see I already opened this one, so you can see here is just passing the path, and after that it's reading the it will read coco.name file and weights and configuration file, and here is the video input file. So when I'm gonna run this file, so you can see the output of this file. It's detecting all objects. It's too much big here, so it's detecting all objects here in a particular video. You can see here. So I'm just gonna make it small. Give me a second. So I will show you here. So I'm gonna here we saw that the input size is too much big, so I'm gonna resize this one. So let me write some code here. So I'm gonna write it here, fr resize uh, frame resize is equal to cv2 dot resize is take the frame and the size will be 960 by 520. You can make it anything here, so I'm gonna pass this one, remove the frame, and so let's try it. Is it working or not, or it's something is wrong. Resize, so resize, so let me check it, is it correct or not. You can see the video here, so it's working properly and show you the output here. You can see it's detecting the object at real time. Here is a traffic light, here is the objects that are moving around here. You can see it's detecting everything here. So I'm gonna go and do something here. I'm just removing the input and will show myself how it's detecting something into the real environment. So here is the input. I'm just passing here. Hi, you can see it's the camera is open here and it's detecting something. It's cell phone, it's the person, so it's detecting correctly. You can use it, and I'm just gonna pass it again here. So this is the whole code that's working. If you like it, thank you so much for that. You can, I will mention this code in my GitHub repository, put it into my GitHub repository. You can download it the code from here, and if you like it, thank you so much. Please subscribe this channel, and I will upload more details regarding this one. And thank you so much.